Hey everyone, Adam here with PublishDrive. In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use PublishDrive's latest feature, our Amazon advertising tool for ebooks. Now we're excited to be the first self-publishing platform to integrate Amazon advertising, so authors can now manage their global ebook distribution and this powerful advertising feature within a single platform. Now Amazon sponsored product ads are some of the most powerful marketing tools for authors. However, the learning curve prevents many authors from ever taking advantage of it. So, for the last several months, we here at PublishDrive have been working on a way to make it easy for authors to use this robust advertising tool. So, let me show you how this built-in, simple-to-use marketing feature works. Okay, after logging into your PublishDrive account, from your dashboard, click on the Marketing tab. And here you're going to see a list of all of the marketing features you have available to you. I'm going to click on Amazon Advertising, and from this dashboard, you actually get an overview of all of your ads' total performance. Now, we put some sample data in here, and I'll come speak to that in a moment. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Create Campaign, and I just got to choose which book I would like to promote. So it's going to ask you, is the book you wish to advertise uploaded to PublishDrive, yes or no? So if you're an author currently not distributing to Amazon through the PublishDrive platform, meaning you've already published directly to Amazon, for a limited time, you can still use this feature. All you have to do is upload your book into a draft status. Now, in the status, your book will not be published. It simply gives us the necessary information we need to be able to link your ad to your ebook's live product page on Amazon. It's really cool. So in this case, I'm just going to hit yes and then select the book I want. Now, I fill out a one-page form. I'm going to choose a campaign name. This can be whatever you want. It's for you to easily be able to identify your campaign. So just choose something that you can refer back to. It's especially helpful if you have several campaigns running. Then I need to choose a start and end date. Now, for example's sake, I'm just choosing whatever here, but we suggest that you actually run the campaign for at least a month. But you have full control over here, so run it for as short or as long as you want. Now, end dates are optional, so if no end date is selected, the campaign is just going to run until your budget is used up. So the next thing I'm going to do is enter in what my daily budget is. This is the amount that I'm willing to spend per day, averaged over the life of the campaign, whether it's that month or whatever the time frame is. So in my case, I'm just going to put $10. You can put whatever works for you. Now, you'll see under here that I have an available marketing budget of $50. So if I need to add to that, I just come over here, click on that, and it'll take me to this page. So if I need to fund this marketing budget for the first time or add to it, I have some options. I can do that with a card. I can do that with PayPal. Or I could transfer money from my earnings, which is great. Now, if you don't have any royalties left in your balance, then you won't even see this option. So whatever you do, hit transfer, and then you're going to get an email from PublishDrive that basically just says, hey, you've successfully transferred such and such amount of money into your marketing budget. Pretty cool. So back to the page, the next thing I need to do is click on or enter in a bid amount. Now I'm just entering 75 cents here. You need to do what works for you. But bid amount is basically how much you're willing to pay each time somebody clicks on your ad. Okay? So there's a strategy behind this. So I encourage you to click here and read more about it to figure out what works best for your particular situation. And then the last thing I have to do is just choose how I'm going to target my customers. So you can choose to do this automatically, which we strongly recommend for people who are beginners at Amazon advertising. Now the product and keyword targeting options are for more advanced users, people who are familiar with Amazon advertising. Now, if you want to learn more about this stuff, you could come over here and click on that. And if I want to learn about automatic targeting, for example, it says, hey, we match your ad with keywords and products that are similar to the product in your ad. We choose keyword and product matches for you based on shopper searches related to your product information. So it's a good option if you're new to this. Now, when it comes to product and keyword options, keywords are coming soon. You have to enter in some information. Now, product targeting allows you to choose specific books that are similar to yours. So you can enter in that information, and when someone goes to search for that book, your ad will be displayed. So I hope that makes sense. So you can enter that by either entering the title, or you can enter in the ASIN number, which is just Amazon's product identifier throughout their platform. Now, keywords are coming soon, and you could enter in keywords for these searches. But like I said, product and keyword targeting options are for more advanced users. So I'm just going to click on automatic, and then all I have to do is hit launch campaign, or I can save it. But I hit launch campaign, and that's it. We'll handle the rest. Now, back to your dashboard. You're going to have a great graph that's showing how all of your campaigns are doing. You're going to have access to great analytics. You're going to see details, things like how much you've spent, sales numbers, order numbers. You're going to see the number of impressions that you've had. This means the number of times your ads were displayed. And then you have access to other metrics through here. You can download the report, or you can look at each of your individual campaigns. If you can have many campaigns going on at once. So if I want to look at one individually, I can do that. I can see how that particular campaign is going. Or remember, you can edit or change your campaign details at any time. I can even stop it here. I can activate it, deactivate it, change my start and end dates, my daily budgets, edit it however I need it. It's really awesome. So this is Amazon advertising on the PublishDrive platform. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to use. We can't wait to see how authors will benefit from this easy to use advertising feature. Now, if you enroll in our subscription pricing option, you'll receive a one-time $50 Amazon advertising credit, so you can get started right away. So we encourage you to try it out and tell us what you think. Thanks, guys.